The examiner will instruct you to stop in front of the incline before going up. When you stop, apply the handbrake, select neutral and wait for further instructions. When instructions was given, an examiner gives you the sign to start. You will observe 360 degrees, select first gear, observe 360 degrees again, obtain clutch control, and release handbrake and proceed to the top of the incline. You must stop before the stop line, and then wait for further instructions. After you stopped at the stop line, you will be instructed to move off smoothly without rolling backwards. Again you will get the signal to begin. You will observe 360 degrees, select gear, obtain clutch control, observe 360 degrees, release the handbrake. When the maneuver was successful, you will be instructed to stop again. The examiner then will give you the instructions for the left turn. For the left turn, you will need to steer your vehicle around a left curve without stopping or touching any obstacles, including mounting the curb. Code C1 licenses may not touch the center line. You only get one attempt, and stopping and starting again counts as a second attempt. Before moving off for the left turn, you will observe 360 degrees, select gear, observe 360 degrees, release handbrake, also release clutch fully so that vehicle will go slow down the hill. While going down the hill you will check the mirrors and the left blind spot, indicator left. Check blind spot to the left. Steer to and position the vehicle in the appropriate lane. When you are finished with the left turn and you have stopped at the correct spot, examiner will instruct you to switch off the vehicle. This is when he or she will climb in the vehicle to give you the instructions of the road test.